What is up, guys? This is Kim over here, and welcome back to another Trace 06 video. Today, we are back with another preview for our Scene Ontario line. Now before we get started, I want to say a couple of stuff before we get started here. I'm sorry if I have it recorded yesterday or next day. Or the day before yesterday because because since my birthday is coming up, I'm having some issues right now. So I'm having some issues with my birthday, and I'm also having some issues with this CN Ontario line. So I just took a few days off. Well, no, I took 2 days off because I had to see what's going on. Especially with this especially with the scenario. Some of the services are not working for some reason. So the release date, there's still no release date yet because I'm still working on it. And for some reason, some of the services on here isn't working. For some reason, I'm wanting because for some reason you can't drive them for some reason. So I gotta see what's going on with that. But it's still working smooth. It's just it's just that some of the services are not really working well. And yeah. This was it. But oh my god! But this is a preview of I'm going to be showing you guys the brand new Canadian National Hoppers that I made, and and then we're gonna continue from there. That's basically about it. Not for the probably won't be that much of a long video, but I'll try to make it long. Okay, but for this story, and oh crap! I forgot to turn this on. Okay, and I'll see you guys with that. What do you mean? So we made some progress. I added more services too. I did add more services. So this is one of them. All right. So this is the hoppers right here, or the coal cars or something like that. Coal cars. Yeah. I'm gonna start calling them coal cars. I think I did a good job with these liveries. Except I think I think the Canadian National logo. I might have to make it smaller and I don't know, put it here because in real life it wasn't actually looking like this in real life, so I don't know, but I mean I'm gonna be honest, I kind of like it like this, but I'm gonna make eventually I'm gonna make the logo smaller, then I'll put it somewhere in between the whatchamacallits of the hopper. But yeah, this is what it looks like for now. But yeah, that's basically about it. But we're gonna go ahead and get moving. There's another service right here. This is service. What I think the service. Okay, this is okay. I think it's Marta. Oh no, man. I gotta fix the name of these, but yeah, but this service it says service is a model for some reason. But it's pulling the hoppers, so I gotta change the name. Let's see. Yeah, but I did add more services, but some of them you can't really see in here because I don't know. I'll be honest, because for some reason, and I hate this, because apparently there's a car limit in Scenario Planner. We're I don't know, because if you have a small amount of cars, I mean, wow. So see if it's if you had a train or something, and it had 35 cars, for example. You can't spawn it at any other stations except Newhall Yard. And I'm like, what? This doesn't make sense. I made service, this is service 8, or, no, I'm sorry, this is service 9. That's the Cinebeam. That's the Cinebeam train, and this is another one. Cause, I don't see service, I made service 13 and 15. I don't see it on here anywhere. I don't see it on here. So yeah, for example, service 14 and 15, I don't see them on here. I don't see them anywhere on this map. I'm skimming. I'm skimming through. Oh wait, what service is this? This is service. Okay, this is service. Okay, so this is service 16. This is the one that I just made. So service 16 is the one that I just made. This is another one I made. Yeah, so this is what service is this? This is service 3. I think that's the hoppers, I think. Whoa. The heck? What? Where's this coming from? Whatever. Um, why is this already leaving? Yeah, but those are basically like the only scenario. I mean, but those are like the basically. Oh my god. Ah! But those are the only services I see. This service next to me. Yeah, the service that's going by is this. This is service 4. That's the yeah, the Santa Beans. This is the boxcar one that was just driven just a few days ago. This is service 1, and this is service. I think this is service 6. I think. No, wait, this is service 6, isn't it? I don't know, but yeah. We're gonna get moving though, cause this one's stopping. I think these trains are waiting for me to go. Yeah. So I'm going. Oh yeah. These are AI. Oh my god. What? I mean no, cause these are used from AI trains only. So yeah. Um. Okay. Let's get moving. Um. Okay, let's get moving. Oop. Yep, we're moving. Okay. Where was he go? Whatever. Okay. We're going from South San Francisco, West Yard. This might be the so. Oh my God, the hell. Okay, the headlights are bright. So this might be the service that you guys might be driving. Okay, I don't know yet. Well, like I said, cause I don't know. I'm still not there. But this might be the service that you guys might be driving. I mean, well, I don't know. You guys might be. I mean, well, I don't know. You guys will be driving one of the services. Um. Yeah. I'm trying to make this scenario as busy as I can. Yeah, these trains are definitely waiting for me. If you guys don't believe it, they're actually driven by AI. See, look. AI. And this one. AI. Yep. You have the headlights on along. You're supposed to have his headlights on the back side. I don't know. I'm gonna be clearing in a second now, so. So I think like once I go by, cause well let me see, cause he made it here first, so I'm guessing like his signal will start to change yellow. I'm guessing. Like any second now. And then he will start moving. I'm trying to see if I can clear his way out. See like now this one's moving. Okay. So we're pulling 25, I think. 25 cars. Yeah, we're pulling 25. Yeah, so okay, but not counting the. I mean, well, for the whole concerts, we're pulling 25 cars, but not counting the two locomotives, we have 23 cars. Not counting the locomotives. So now, yep. So he is moving. So his signal changed to yellow. So now he's moving. I think he's moving behind me. Alright. Man, why did it stop it? What? Oh, okay. I was about to say, I'm like, why did it just stop accelerating? Alright, well, let's do some drive-by scenes real quick. While we at it. I don't have. Okay, for some reason, I don't have the red indicator looking thing on my at the end of my train for some reason. So I'm assuming I'm assuming he been following behind me. I know. He's not gonna. Oh no, he's moving. Okay. Wait, he's still moving? Okay, I like the way how the AI is behaving right now. No weird glitches with the AI yet, surprisingly. I think this is the Autorex service, I'm guessing. Yep. Well, I think it is. And hold on. Okay. I'm sorry. I know I keep going on to the map. I'll stop. But real quick, this service. I think the service. I don't know. I gotta look again. But this Autorex service right here is going from. I think it's going to San Jose. I think. Or no. It's stopping at Newhall. So yeah. I think it's stopping at Newhall. Newhall Yard, if I'm pronouncing that right. I mean, well, if I'm saying it right, because you know how, because you guys know how bad I started. Yeah, okay. Correct. Oh, that's weird. He has a yellow thing for some reason. Ooh, that looks so beautiful. Yeah, I'm gonna use this theme for the trailer. Both they did at the same time. Ooh, I like that. All right. Okay. And he's booking. He's moving fast. These two are just about to meet. For some reason, he's slowing down. Oh, it's probably because I'm in front of him. Wait, I got yellow signals. Hold on, what's going on? What service is this? Service. Oh, that is service 15. What? Ah, no. Oh, okay. So this is the Tomato part. So that's the Tomato service I was talking about. Okay, well, at least I've seen one of them that I just made. Yeah, but service 15, I think I made yesterday. I don't know. I don't know. I have terrible memory. So that's service 15 that just went by. I'm trying to make this route as busy as I mean, I'm trying to make the scenario as busy as I can. So this is the, yeah, that's the what's it called? The Cinebeam service, service 9. That's the Cinebeam service. I want to see something real quick. I'm just trying to think of something for what I could do with this trailer. Oh crap, we gotta let you go for the slowdown. Why? Break! Oh, what we got a red single? What did you check? I must have that, I must have a train in front of me then. I think I do. No, I don't. Ah, great. Alright, gotta fix this. Oh, handle off. No, I think I gotta set this as pressing, I think. No, not full service. Actually, let's just wait for the whole train to stop. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Dang it! Alright. Release. Alright, there we go. Hi, Columba. Okay. Oh, it works now. Alright. Why are the bells only sound so low? They might have to fix that because like the bells, because like the bell sounds on the railroad coaster sound so low in this route. It's so annoying. Ow. So my hand falls off. I kind of like having the window open and like blasting the horn because I don't know, for some reason like it just sounds so much better because like you got the horn in the inside. This is so good. Oh my god, cause you can hear the horn on the inside. Cause if I close it up, it's like you can hear the horn so low. See, like I'm Wano, cause in my opinion you can barely hear the horn. But if you have it on, I mean, oh my god, cause if you open the windows and blast the horn, it sounds so much better. It's like the horn on the inside and the horn on the outside is like combining together, and it makes like this sound. Because if I switch it out to the external camera, you can hear like a difference in between them. It's kind of cool. We usually see that city service around here, but we don't, because you know. Oh, actually, we'll let's see another train. Service is this? This is service 16. So you guys will see what service 16 is eventually. I guess we'll in a second. Oh, I thought I said railroad crossing. Yep. So, oh yeah, this is the GT Heritage unit. It's going slow as a mouse. But here it is. Pretty neat. Alright, we're going way too fast. We need to slow down. the heck? Alright, y'all, I'm back. I'm sorry. This freaking thing just popped up, but we're good. We're good. We're good. We're fine now. Oh, jeez. But you guys see what I'm talking about there? Yeah. Um. I'm gonna be honest. I'm almost done with the with this oh my god with the entire scenario. It's just you know, like there's some other services that's not working, so I gotta like fix all of that. But yeah. Yeah, because like there's other services that won't show up on the map, and I don't know why. I don't know why. And hey, we got another one. Yeah, so that's the cover hopper service. Okay, I'm gonna turn this ball off. It's actually really annoying. I don't know why we got yellow signals. There's no trains in front of me. At least I don't think so. No, but you guys see what I mean? Because, like, there's some services that's not working. And it's like, I have to fix them. So I think that's the only services that we're just seeing. Yeah, it is. Wow. Yeah, because, actually, I'm actually gonna end the video here. But, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. Because, I don't know, this is weird. Man, because apparently this is like some sort of car limit or something like that, like a train car limit. So we're like, how do I explain this? Dang, how do I explain this? I don't know, but my ears are hurting from wearing these headphones all day. I'm sorry, but yeah, but like I said, I'm gonna say one more time. I do apologize for not recording. It's just that I've been busy with this whole scenario, and my house images with like for my upcoming birthday. So yes, that yeah, I just had to take like a few days off because yeah, I was real stressed out. But yeah, okay, but if I go to scenario planner and I go to here, yes, it's the scenario interior line. This is the service that we just driven. So we got service one that we're just seeing. Service the stripes, which we actually just seen. Service number 3, I think. Let me see. Yeah, we just seen this one. Service number 4. Now this is where it has the We actually did a preview of this. Now this is where it has the hoppers, the flat cars and the semi cars, not showing in the yeah for some yeah it's not showing in let me see, because for some reason it's not showing in the routes or in a scenario. So let me see some. Oh cause look at this. The real ones means like you can't swan it down. See, look. Well, I think it is here. I think it is, but I'm a tooth. But yeah. Yeah. So this one, this service just goes from San to San oh my god to San Jose to San Carlos, and San Carlos is a bit short, but it's like you can't. It's like you. Let me see some. You probably can't. Let me see, but I'm gonna give this a test out. Let me see. And also I'm gonna give one of these like a test drive because you guys will see what I mean. So like I'm gonna because I'm gonna test one of these out because so you can guys see what I mean because it's so weird because let me see. Well, no. I don't know. I don't know what's one on the drive. This is. Okay, so this one's Belmont to Burlingame. I don't know how you pronounce it. But see, so if I set this to player controlled, and then I drive it, this is I don't know, like, cause like for some reason like this weird glitch happens, and you guys will see what I mean in a second. I'm not sure if it's fixed because I did change it. I'm not sure if it is. See, I'm in the scenario, but I'm not in like the service. Like I'm not driving the service, and like, see, there's no trains here. And plus, and what's funny to me is it spawns you at the wrong stations. Like it's what like so like Santa Clara. What? Because this service was meant to go from Belmont to Burlington or something like that. But it's spawning me at here. It's spawning me here. And the service is from San Jose. What service is this? This is service 4, that's the Sandabeam service. Yeah, there's two Sandabeam services. And this is the service 11. I think this is the mixed service, I'm guessing. I think this one's the mixed service. I think it is. But yeah, like those are like the only services that's only working. And it's so weird to me. Yeah, but those are like the only services, but service 12 and service 13 and 14, and service 10, service 7. You don't see that. Like you don't see that in the thing. And that's so weird. So so this is gonna take me a long time. It might be releasing early in December or probably later this month. Probably like after the well, I don't know, like so there's a lot of bugs right now. That's why it's taking me so long to announce the release date, because it's because I'm still working on this whole bug thing. But that's gonna do it for this video. Actually, no. That's gonna do it for this video. If you guys did enjoy the video, like, subscribe to the channel and like the video, and also subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the Chipmunk Life Adventures, and also like the video, and and also turn on your post notifications so that you guys don't miss out on the entertainment videos that I make on the channel. And that's what I say about it. And I'll see you guys in this one. If you guys a lot, bye.